To add your US bank card to your Apple Wallet, start by opening your bank's mobile app and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. Then select the Cards option. Choose the card you want to add to your Apple Wallet, such as your debit card. Next, tap on Add to Digital Wallets and select Apple Pay from the available options. A pop-up will appear, prompting you to tap Add and then Continue. You will then be asked to enter a 6-digit code sent to your phone number. So enter the code and tap Continue. After that, open the Apple Wallet app on your device. Tap Next and then Agree to the terms. Your US bank card should now be added to your Apple Wallet. This process allows you to easily add your credit or debit card to your Apple Wallet, making it convenient to use Apple Pay for your transactions.